John the Diesel Man. Oh, man. Regular cab 6-speed from Las Vegas. John the Diesel Man giving you some history here on this Patriot Blue truck. I love this truck. I wish this is a truck I could keep. It was awesome. You just don't see trucks like this. And going through our history, it's just really cool to see these things. And this was sold to a really cool person. They still have the truck. It was an awesome truck. We didn't have to do much to this. It was in phenomenal condition when we got it. And basically, it was mostly all original. I think it had a computer chip in it. And we left it in it. It had a lot of power. It was just an awesome truck. John the Diesel Man, NewYorkDiesels.com. Man. I'm watching the video with you. I'm looking at these pictures, and it's just really cool. That was a really cool truck. Yeah, I wish I could have kept that one. Yeah. Please subscribe to our channel. Share it with your friends if you love these trucks. Keep your turbo spooling, guys.